After leaving the Garden of Eden, Adam and Eve began a new life in a broken world. In time, Eve gave birth to two sons. The first was named Cain. The second was named Abel. Though they were brothers, their paths were different. Cain worked the soil, drawing food from the earth by the strength of his hands. Abel became a shepherd, caring gently for his flock. Side by side, they lived under the same sky, yet their hearts were shaped in different ways. And soon, each would bring an offering before God, a moment that would reveal what lived within them. When the time came to worship, both brothers brought gifts before the Lord. Cain offered fruits from the ground he had worked. Abel brought the firstborn of his flock, the best he had. God looked with favor on Abel and his offering, but he did not look with favor on Cain's. Cain's heart hardened. His joy turned into anger. Seeing this, the Lord spoke to him. "If you do what is right, will you not be accepted? But if you do not, sin is crouching at your door. It desires to rule over you, but you must rule over it." Cain heard the warning, but he did not let it change him. Not long after, Cain spoke to his brother Abel. He asked him to walk together into the field. Out there, far from others, Cain's anger grew louder than God's voice. He let jealousy guide his hands, and Abel's life was taken. The field fell silent. What began as resentment ended in tragedy. The first human life was lost, not to an enemy, but to a brother. And nothing done in secret escapes the eyes of God. The Lord came to Cain and asked him, "Where is your brother Abel?" Cain answered, "I do not know. Am I my brother's keeper?" But God replied, "Your brother's blood cries out to me from the ground." Because of his choice, Cain was cursed from the land he once worked. He would become a restless wanderer on the earth. Fear filled Cain's heart. Yet even then, God showed mercy. The Lord placed a mark on Cain, protecting him from harm. And Cain went away from the presence of the Lord, carrying the weight of his choice and the reminder that God is both just and merciful.